Hey, Patrick Murphy from Quarter Inch Off here. Been a while since I posted a video. Lots of reasons for that. Tonight I got my mlcs horizontal router working overtime. I've got this 8-foot 5/4 board, quality board, that I'm sending through. Why am I doing a big 8-foot piece with this router profile that you can see here? Well, primarily after I do that, I chop it up into little pieces that I need. So I'm doing two things here. I'm doing inside corner blocks like this. Routing them so that goes on the inside of trim, and then for the outside of trim, see if I can get this all marked up. I put marks on here. There we go, got it like that. So I need to route this a little bit here, route a little bit here, route this, and this will be an outside corner block. So I've made several of these. This is the reason I'm making one longboard, and I chop them up with what I need. In the end, this is 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, so it's a perfect square. And the reason I do this versus the store-bought corner blocks is because once I put my base on here that I'm making out of 3/4 MDF with the same profile bit, and then I add shoe, the store-bought ones aren't thick enough. So, you know, we want this profile. We're using the full 8-inch. It's actually 7 1/4. 7 1/4 height for this. The baseboard's I think 5 1/4 or just short of 6, so it gives us a nice profile on the top of these around the corner. So the next step is for me to route the outside of this piece, route the outside of this, the outside of this, glue and nail them together like that, paint them up. It's seamless. You don't even see that there's a cut there. Looks really nice. But I got about 20 of these to make on that. So got this board, got another one over there I finished as well, so I can start chopping them up. I got a couple spots in the house where I need to do custom. They won't be this, they'll actually be maybe 4 or 5 inches because there's nothing else on that little bit of a wall, so we elected to just do that instead of baseboard. A 2-inch piece of baseboard's not going to look good for where we're putting those things. Happy with MLCS. Used it. Probably made about 2,000 square feet. No, not 2,000 square feet. Probably made about 400 square feet of base on this. And once you figure out that the direction of a horizontally mounted router is that way, not that way, works out well. I got the optional drawer and dust collection on here. You can see in there, no dust. No dust at all. I know there's some concerns with people with getting this drawer option and the dust collection option. It's a heavy drawer, one-handed, doesn't work well. Got it hooked up here to my cflux. 1.5 horse, works great. No dust, as you can see. I got it 6 inches all the way to where I have a drop, then it goes down to 4 inches, and we're all good. So just wanted to do a quick update. I haven't done a video in a while and shoot this out there, but have a good night.